are coming to Taito city. Some rickshaw puller, colorful bus. Taxi and Sumida River. We have to go that side because we are going to Asakusa to buy some souvenir. Here we have 7-Eleven, KFC. Some buildings are like Dhanmondi restaurants. Be like full of restaurants. And in Japan, you cannot pass the road without maintaining the signal. So it's red signal. You cannot pass a road. You have to wait. See, a lot of people are waiting for the green signal. Both side of the So this is Asakusa Sensoji Temple front gate. You see a lot of crowd today in Asakusa. We come here earlier in 2020 when COVID pandemic was ongoing, and in 2022, but that not much crowd was there. But right now it's a festival is ongoing. You see a lot of crowd here. A huge crowd made today, as it is holiday. Saturday and Sunday, and Saturday and Sunday is our weekly holidays in Japan. You see, lot of crowds. People are actually focusing to have a festive mode. You can buy a lot of souvenir here. These streets are very much famous to buy Japanese different kind of souvenir. So you should come here if you got time to pay a visit at Asakusa Sensoji Temple. This place is very much near to the Sumida River, Tokyo Skytree, Sumida Aquarium, and so on. So, should visit. You can buy a metro pass, 24-hour ticket, which cover this area as well. Ginja line G19 last station will cover this area. So a huge crowd. I have never seen this crowd because all I have experienced in COVID-19 pandemic period. At that time travel was banned and travel visa was not allowed. So a huge crowd are here. See different foreign nationals are coming here.
Okay. Deals.
several restaurants, several clothings, souvenirs. All are available here. This is festival time. That's why crowd is much more than the normal time. And also this is holiday, national holiday, Saturday today. So you will find a lot of souvenirs. A lot of people visit here today. So here is the Tokyo Sky Tree. You can see from here because it's very nearer to the Asakusa area. It's festive mood today. A lot of people are coming to pay a visit. We came here earlier in 2020, but we hadn't seen so much crowd at that time. So Sensōji Temple. It is also a 5-storied pagoda. Some famous clothing, Japanese. We are searching for some souvenirs. A lot of souvenirs you will find here. Different option. Some souvenirs you can find. So Tokyo Sky Tree is on the left. A lot of souvenirs. Sensoji Temple. So Nakamise Street towards Sensoji Temple. Some foods are available. You can buy. Cookies and different kinds of cookies, bread, and so on. Some Japanese famous food are available here. So, different types of kimono, Japanese traditional cloth. So some foods are available. Bags also are available here. Different types of bags, colorful. This is another street towards the another part of Tokyo Skytree. So we are signing off from here. We'll go to the another site. If you like this, please comment and share this video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.